Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Dr. Horace Chang says everything in Montego Bay has failed and failed miserably. The churches, the Peace Management Initiative, the Citizen Security and Justice Program, and others have done a lot of good things but have failed to effect transformation in Montego Bay. When I hear them something, I know, ratted. I always try to blame for all this. I himself him for blame him and Andrew. I him and Andrew him for blame. Yeah. You might come go on like you want to blame the church, you want to blame Citizen Security. I yourself, you have to blame Horace Chang because you're in the wrong job. You're in the wrong job. The wrong field you're in. You're supposed to, you better if I did over the healthcare system than Christopher Tufton. Because you are a doctor, you're a medical doctor. So I believe that you're in the wrong field, sir. And then you come talk about churches fail and whatever. I want to make the churches fail because no found a link up with the churches and pay them off. Allege. Yeah. You understand? I'm going like gonna take people for idiot. You understand my viewers and subscribers? This is a man you know I can talk about everything in a Montego Bay fail. Yes. Why? Why it fail? A full place. A few place. Yeah, Marlene Malawo place. A full place. And then you come, and you forget blame your Andrew Wellness. You Horace Chang. Come in and know how you're security minister and you in a whole heap of bangarang. Can't even travel go know where USA and want you over there and you're a security minister. And as I say, Andrew Wellness licking head. Andrew Wellness licking head 3 sides and 4 corners. For make this a man be security minister. And then no, somebody them a look for blame, you know. Somebody them a look for blame my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, somebody them a look for blame. When I say them come out like this, and I say, hear what I'm say. I repeat it again for all who just come back on. Everything in a Montego Bay has failed and failed miserably. The churches, the Peace Management Initiative, the Citizen Security and Justice Program, and others have done a lot of good things but have failed to effect transformation in Montego Bay. Are you Andrew Wellness fail Montego Bay? Yeah, are you? No, you see, Unu, Horace Chang? You see, Unu know what you get on yourself in. Uno know what you do wrong. So uno forget blame. No church, the church ain't all afraid to come out. The church ain't afraid to come out. You understand? The church ain't afraid to come out because of people like you. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think and how you feel about this. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. With 57% of Jamaicans indicating in the latest Dun Anderson poll that they feel less safe than they did 10 years ago. The bigger, more pointed indicator that can be drawn from these findings is that the Holness administration, first elected in 2016, has spent about 7 of those 10 years actively failing its most basic tests in governance. So my viewers and subscribers, this is the reason why I say Andrew Holness crowd was big. He claimed that it was big, yeah? From when me see say it look like he have whole heap of people. But inside never so full, but outside did ram. For whatever reason, I don't know, yeah? So, why him no call a election? Why him not come up with a date for election? Because he knows say his governance is failing. Yes, that's true. He knows say his administration is failing every single year. So him man afraid. Remember, Remember, so the last time he did we call the election, and remember saying put it off. He come up with a date and then put it off, and Mark Golden was so upset and was so angry. Who remember that? You understand me? So Andrew Holness, him knows that him a fail in all areas. Uno no bother watch. Uno no bother watch. Him little sweetheart them where him a make or whatever. You see all of these things that Andrew Holness do, actually you want to gain. You want to gain back the people them, you know, confidence. You want the people them to believe back in him so he can win again. That's all Andrew Holness want. Andrew Holness don't care. Him and Juliet, Nigel Clark, worse. Them not care about a soul. Horace Chang, me not even want to mention for him name because him not care one bit. So Andrew Holness, the last time with the election, him say, what him say? Him say he not have money. And that he say, you know, he say he not have money to call election. That is what Andrew Holness say. And remember, Andrew Holness did just get over 80 billion off of taxpayers' money. And it not take so much money for do election. About maybe 1 billion or 2 billion they need. So for sure, you say Andrew Holness is afraid. So I talk about the crowd. No, watch the crowd. No, watch the crowd because it is alleged pay the people them. The people then come out and talk. Me not even have to say alleged because there was videos that come out and the people them said that. You understand? The people them they at the conference also and I show them money where they receive from labor right. You understand me? So Andrew Holness, him just you see if Andrew Holness win, for telling you the truth, yeah, it's just a them a do it. Him making himself a win. And nobody else. It's not the people it a come from. Him. And that is the same thing we did the last time. Me not think saying win by we voting. No. I put him there. You understand? Put him there and you see where I do, I complete every single thing, every agreement, everywhere I go. Everybody country him just a sign. I sign this and I sign that. Why? Why he's doing all these things? It don't make no sense to me. So if Andrew Holness big and bold, call the election. But you know what? He's doing it in his own time. Yeah? He's doing it in his own time and when him ready. Because he insists upon the poll is failing. Him see that. Him see say him a fail left, right, center. That's why you see him not call it. That's why I say if Andrew Holness win election, him make himself win. Him and him people them set up that. Yeah, and a real thing. Everything then do them buy out people for little or nothing. And then fool see. Then just take a little bit of change. That's all. Nothing else Andrew Holness not do for the country. And when you're not ready, you come out and I say how Andrew Holness is doing so much things and people bad mind the Prime Minister, everybody in the Prime Minister life. We're supposed to in him life. Yes, we're supposed to in him life because we put him, we spot him there. We put Andrew Holness, we spot him there. When he ready, he turn him back pan way. And I talk about him gain popularity already. And he no need this and he no need that. And when he ready, you see him come out 1 and 2 times start balling. So come out again, start ball again. That's all. Every 6 months, he come out and I beg and ball. That's all Andrew Holness do. And he know what he do. He know what he's doing. And you see, for me, I don't think so Andrew Holness for be in a no election and be no prime minister anymore. Andrew Holness need to resign because he is under investigation. Yeah? So no election, Andrew Holness not for in a no election. Andrew Holness for resign. If he step down for under heavy investigation. That's why I say Juliet Holness is there to protect him. I'm telling you all the time. That's why he's there to defend her husband. When you feel say if something come up and she a Madam Speaker, she gonna make that pass. That's why they come up with the oversight committee and put peer labor right over there. Because they want to do all kind of things to the paper. Yeah, when they get the report, the information, they want do as them like with it and then come out and tell we pure foolishness. 6 person under investigation and all know they can't call nobody name. I know they can't tell we are who, and we the people, we need to know who is that 6 person, plus the other 40 thief them. You understand me? We need to know who is the 6 person. We need to know if Andrew Holness declaring asset. He claimed that he declared it already, but it wasn't satisfactory to the Integrity Commission. Yeah, so him need to go back and start out in thing. But the thing is, Andrew Holness fi step down. The people them fi go out and protest. Andrew Holness need to step down until he is clear of the investigation. We can't have people under investigation and lead with. What kind of leader is he? You understand me? Because if he is a prime minister and declaring asset, when expect we the people are gonna do? When expect? That's why when me hear Del Rite come out and I talk about how he feel the Integrity Commission for focus more on the public officials, like the small officials them, and that them for focus on. Mr. say Del Rite confused because him know what going on. Del Rite you see Headman Bartley, the man feel tourism. Him definitely on the oversight committee. Me tell you already. He is on the oversight committee. I think he's the executive something another over there. Yeah, all them something right. People who investigate should be independent. They shouldn't be from PNP or JLP. You understand what I'm trying to say? This is just madness. And then this a person here, a lead, say him a lead by example, Andrew Holness, that cannot declare his asset. That's why I see him put Juliet Holness there and feel like say we are gonna forget about the 6th thief and then everything just dead out and then that's it. We need to know about the 6th. We need Uno to come out. We know who already, but we want Uno to come out and make we know. We want to hear the people them to know what go on. Because enough of these things do not show up on mainstream TV. Me I tell you my viewers and subscribers. Because I talk to certain people who watch mainstream TV, them say them not even know all them something here happen. Them never know that Andrew Holness under investigation. So they only show what they want to show on mainstream TV. This is why over here, so the bloggers them alone give you no raw footage, and make you know what go on the ground, You understand me? And when they ready, them are cuss bloggers. I now say some bloggers not forget cuss out, Yeah, when they not do the right thing. You understand me? But my thing is Andrew Holness, he just need to resign. He need to step down, and that this is what he's not going to do. And everybody just sit back and allow it. And I say, Mark Golding. What Mark Golding can do? Mark Golding, if we not rise up, if we the people rise up, then Mark Golding have more strength. And that may try show you. But nobody not rise up, so Mark Golding have little and no strength. No, he could come out and talk loud and talk rough. You know, gonna make no difference. It's just how gonna make Andrew Holness get more aggressive and just a dictate to everybody. You understand me? But my viewers and subscribers, you tell me what you think about the whole thing. Tell me what you think and how you feel about it, and put an honest opinion in the comment section for me. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if it's your first time watching my videos, guys, please do me a favor and click the subscription button. Press the notification bell and click all. So when we drop the video, them, I want to get them straight away. Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.